Welcome all dear students and doctors in Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series. And today is the 21st lecture, that is Pushpa Dhanvaras. And before this we have completed 20 lectures in Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series. Thank you all dear students and doctors for supporting and kind listening regularly Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series. So let's start today's session about Pushpa Dhanvaras. Before starting today's session, let's do Naman to our Ayurvedadya Pravartak Lord Dhanvantari. Om Sri Dhanvantare Namaha. So Pushpa Dhanvaras having references in Vaishya Ratnavali, Yoga Tarangini, Rasa Kamadhenu, Ayurveda Formulary of India, that is AFI. And this text we can understand the ingredients of Pushpa Dhanvaras and its medical action. So we'll try to learn every ingredient in next upcoming slides. So Pushpa Dhanvaras contents. So this is a reference that is both Brahat Pushpa Dhanvaras, Suvarna Bhasma, Kantaloho Bhasma, Suvarna Makshik Bhasma. Some of the different content in this formulation. So we can go to the next slide. So in this slide we can understand different Granthakar having different formulations. So first is Yoga Tarangini and Rasa Kamadhenu having Naga Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, Loha Bhasma. But you can see there is a no Rasa Sindur. Bhavna Dravya little bit same. In Brahat Yoga Tarangini, Rasayan Sangraha, Rasendra Chintamani, Nigantu Ratnakar, Vaishya Ratnavali, and AFI having the ingredient like Rasa Sindur, Naga Bhasma, Loha Bhasma, Vanga Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma. Ingredients Dhatur Bij Swaras, Bhanga Patra Swaras, Yashtimudu Mula Swaras, Shalmali Nirya Swaras, Nagapatri Patri Swaras. In some text they are mentioning Yashtimadu Mulak Kwatha, Shalmali Patra Kwatha, Nagavalli Patra Swaras. So in Yoga Ratnakar they have mentioned the name like Laghu Pushpa Dhanvaras and other Granthakar, but there is a no Vanga Bhasma as an ingredient. So the slide shows content Rasa Sindur, Naga Bhasma, Loha Bhasma, Abrak Bhasma, Vanga Bhasma, Gruta, Madhu, Bhavana Dravya are there. So we'll study in detail every ingredient in detail. First is Shuddha Parad and Shuddha Gandhak. Together we can say Rasa Sindur. Rasa Sindur is Tridoshagna having Balya, Shukravardhak activity, and here in this Kalpa it acts as a Yoga Vahi and Rasayan Dravya. Next is Naga Bhasma. Naga Bhasma is second ingredient of the Pushpa Dhanvaras. We have studied in previously also. Naga Bhasma having Snigdha, Ushna, Guru, Sara, Gun, having Madhur Tikta Ras. Its Prabhav is Grahi and its Tridoshna activity is having Karma like action like Lekhan, Deepan, Stambhan and Shotahar. We'll go to the next. Vanga Bhasma already we have studied in Vasanta Kusumakar Ras and so many important kalpas. Vanga Bhasma having so much good action on reproductive system. So Pushpa Dhanvaras is very good drug in female as well as male reproductive health care. So Vanga Bhasma is ingredient. It's very important. So as you know, the Vanga Bhasma having guna like Laghu, Shita, Ruksha and Sara. Its rasa is Tikta Kashaya and karma is Kamavardhan, Karshahar, Vranahar, Raktapittagna, Agnimandyakar. Karya is Balya, Rasayan, Ruchikar, Kamottejak, Chakshuksha, and is having good action on Garbhashay. Next is Loha Bhasma. Loha Bhasma having Tikta Kashaya, Vipak, Madhur. Virya is Shita, Guna is having Ruksha and Guru Gun, and its Karya Kafavitta Shamak having action Deepan, Balya, Lekhan, Medya, Vrusha, Pitta Shamak, Medohar, Pramehar, Kushtahar and Staulehar. Next is Abrak Bhasma. This is very famous. We are studying in all Adhyan lectures. Abrak Bhasma having Madhur Shita and its Vatagna, Ruchikar, Deepak, Sarva Dhatu Poshak, Stairyakar, Varnya, Balya and Netra. It is a Bhavna Dravya, Dhatur. Dhatur is having Guna, Laghu and Ruksha. Its action is Vyavayi, Vikasi, Madak, तिक्त कटु उष्ण कटु विपाकी, and main action is kapha vata shamak. Aifen, cannabis sativa, gun are laghu tikshna, tikta katu ushna, madak and vata kapha shamak. It's a bhavna dravya. Shalmali patra swaras, shalmali kwat. Shalmali is laghu snigdha pichil gunatmak. Its action is madhur shita madhur. Sorry, rasavirya pipak is madhur shita madhur and vata pitta shamak dravya. Then Yashtamudhu mula kwat bhavna is mentioned. Yashtamudhu glycyrrhiza glabra, madhur shita madhur, guru snigdha gunatmak and pitta vat shamak having good action. Then last but very important, Nagavalli patra swaras, guna laghu ruksha, rasa katu tikta kashaya katu, kapha vat shamak and pitta prabhakop. So it's very important last, that is Nagavalli patra swaras, because having very good aphrodisiac property. So we'll try to learn now Matra, Anupan and Kal. Pushpadhanva Ras dose mentioned, we can give 120 mg to 250 mg, and Anupan, cow milk, butter or honey we can give. So Pushpadhanva Ras we can study in next slide, its action or medical use. So Gunadharma, so by this action all bhasma having tridosh shamak and they having deepan pachan activity, by that they having good action on hormones and menstrual blood. So the bija utpatti can be formed. All bhasma are vata shamak, including rata rasa sindur yoga vahi dravya. Result is bijutpati and bijo sarga. Naga bhasma and abrak bhasma are madhur snigdha gunatmak, so dhatu poshan and vata niyaman can be seen. Naga and Vanga and Abrak Bhasma having prabhav on Prajanan Samsthan and Bijashay, so effective in growth, maturation and rupture of follicle. So second diagram we can understand, it has stimulative effect on endocrine gland, so because of that the semen defect can be removed, and systemic effect, so by semen it improves the quality of semen like volume, motility and count, and it improves the strength, general strength we can say, improves the metamorphosis of dhatu, that is the importance tissue system, improves immunity, nutrition and generalized health. So we'll try to learn medical uses of Pushpadhanva Ras. So Pushpadhanva Ras generally we can use in impotency, oligospermia, erectile dysfunction, improves the sperm count, male as well as female infertility, sleeplessness, poor memory, anemia and PCOS. So how Pushpadhanva Ras is important in this condition, how it is action take place, we can understand by its ingredients and its medical properties. So Pushpadhanva Ras having chief ingredients which having property like Yoga Vahi, Dhatu Vruddhikar, Virya Vardhan and Agni Deepan. So it having herbs, उनकी जो भावना दी है उसमें धतुर पत्र है, भांग है, नागवल्ली स्वरस है, पत्र स्वरस. So they are having stimulant effect on neuroendocrine system, and these effects on systemic as well as local effects on testes and accessory sex organ as well as ovaries, and it result into improve the quality of semen like volume, count and motility. Brahan property is chief ingredient like Vrusha, Rasayan, Balya, Pushtikar as well as Vrusha, and it's having Prabhav. So it leads to general body strength and improvement of all body weakness and all satisfaction related issues. So overall Pushpadhanva Ras giving strength to immunity system. Ultimately it improves the metamorphosis of all dhatus, result in improvement in nutrition, may lead to improvement in general health of the person. So we'll learn each detail. First is female infertility. So in which condition of female infertility Pushpadhanva Ras having good effects. So female infertility is a very good big topic to discussion, and there are so many reasons, physiological, pathological, anatomical, hormonal. So Pushpadhanva Ras increases the ovarian growth, that is follicular growth and development, and it also useful in hypoandrogenism. The stress induced HPA disturb means HP, that is hypophyseal pituitary axis. In this condition, Pushpadhanva can balances the hormonal conditions. So in this condition of female infertility, Pushpadhanva Ras having good action. Male infertility, in male infertility, it improves the development of testes, semen, it improves the process of spermatogenesis, it improves the semen qualities like motility, sperm count, everything. So next, like oligospermia condition, so Pushpadhanva Ras having good action in this. Most of practitioners, including me, are using this drug, and I can proudly say Pushpadhanva Ras is having very good action on oligospermia and ovarian functions also. So next, erectile dysfunction. So erectile dysfunction, in loss of libido, in complications of diabetes mellitus arises the symptom like ED, that is erectile dysfunction. In this condition, Pushpadhanva Ras would be a good choice of drug along with Ashwagandha Arishta, Ashwagandha Avleha or Ashwagandha Churna, and we can give with Nagavalli Patra Swaras Anupan. Last is PCOS. In this condition, Pushpadhanva Ras, it's very good medicine, is already I have told in PCOS lecture. So it improves the ovarian function. It has a very good action on female genital organs, ovary, garbhashay. It induces, improves the formation of and growth and development of follicles, also rupture of follicles. So it also creates and good hormonal coordination. So Pushpadhanva Ras is, we can say, very important and useful drug in PCOS condition. इंसोमेनिया, अभी इंसोमेनिया कौन से कंडीशन में ये उपयुक्त है? सो वात प्रकोप, अति व्यवाय के कारण जो इंसोमेनिया उत्पन्न होता है, स्वप्न दोष, प्री मैच्योर इजैकुलेशन और ध्वजभंग की अवस्था से जो इंसोमेनिया उत्पन्न होता है, उस कंडीशन में ब्रहण कार्य करके इंसोमेनिया में ये उपयुक्त ड्रग है. और मेमोरी इम्प्रूवमेंट में भी हम इसका यूज़फुल कर सकते हैं. वो भी किससे? तो ये लॉस जो होता है शुक्रक्षय की अवस्था, उस अवस्था में पुष्पधन्वा रस एक यूज़फुल मेडिसिन है. तो समरी ऑफ द this drug, we can say it's a Vyadhi Pratyanic Dravya in reproductive system. Pushpadhanva Ras having very good metals as well as Bhavana Dravya. They are having good action on female as well as male fertility problems. It improves and ovarian functions, and it improves also spermatogenesis process. So we can use in our daily clinical practice in fertility and cases. So for this, I can say thank you all for kind listening Ayurveda Adhyayan lecture series, and important request from us: do subscribe to our YouTube channel, press bell icon button, so we'll get notifications time to time whenever we upload the video on YouTube channel. Most important request: kindly note down this number, and don't forget to send your name and city to this number. Also mention whether you are practitioner or student, so we can able to add you in Ayurveda Adhyayan e-lecture series WhatsApp group, so we can able to share you PDF study materials, PDF study notes, as well as our activity updates. So thanks a lot for kind listening Ayurveda Adhyayan lecture series, and it's important request from us: please do like these videos and share maximum so other students and doctors also get benefited. Thank you. Thanks again. Jai Ayurveda.